Those of you who are still in search of a career break may be wondering what is the best way to get started on a job, especially if you are already out of college. If you have noticed, there is a marked difference the way companies look at you in terms of evaluation when they come for campus hires versus off-campus hiring. For campus evaluation, the focus is on aptitude and attitude because companies typically have a training plan for those who are hired from the campus, and they put through a training cycle and given the requisite skills that are required for them to be deployed on the job. But off-campus hiring is for more immediate deployment, where the training cycles are shorter, the numbers of hires are also limited to the number of people who are immediately required to be deployed on the projects. There, the focus will be mostly on the skills of the candidate in addition to the aptitude and attitude part. So if you're already out of college and if you're looking for a job, it is important that you build up the skills based on the area of your interest. And if you're looking to get into IT industry, you can check out the different programs like full stack development or data science engineering offered by Infotech Academy at the Technopark campus. So once again, I want to encourage each one of you, if you're already out of college and looking to get started on a job, build up the skills that the employers are seeking so that you have an advantage of being a trained and skilled candidate who can readily be deployed on the job. If you're considering career options in IT, I suggest that you check out our website faithinfotechacademy.com to know more about full stack developer programs in Java or .NET or Python or data science engineering at our Technopark campus.